I'm just wearing a Filipiniana and we're attending an event today. Parang gusto ko mag-fit check muna. Kain tayo ng lunch. Nag-decide lang ako today na mag-Filipiniana just because hindi ko pa ito nasusuot.
Alam ko, meron akong gustong top dito somewhere.
So, bumili nitong vest. Try natin. Wait, ang cute kasi ng color niya. Yeah, I think nice siya. Wait, cute. Masyado po ba siyang maliit? Parang okay din yung color niya kasi. Today, I attended the Philippine Handloom Weaving Festival for 2025 and it's taking place here at Robinsons, Ilocos. And this is part of the National Science, Technology, and Innovation Week here in Ilocos Norte. And it's supported by the DOST PTRI. There are more than 40 weaving communities from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I also had the opportunity to finally meet the Master Ilocano weaver from Pinili, Ilocos Norte, no other than our very own Nana Daleng. And can you believe that she's already 101 years old? It was wonderful to see our local weavers in action, and yes, we also got the chance to weave ourselves. And you know, I thought it was easy, pero no, mahirap siya, girl. And talagang ako na yung sumuko. If you're from Ilocos Norte, make sure to visit and check out the booth and full exhibit up until November 22 lang. This is a fantastic opportunity to appreciate our world-class hobby and support our artisans, and possibly take home a piece that you can wear with pride. Always remember to buy original local products and avoid counterfeits and even yung mga printed imitation.
Isang panibagong bukas ang ating hinahangad.
Kaya kung gusto niyo ring makita yung ganda ng ating local hand-woven fabrics at makilala yung ating talented na mga weavers tulad din na Nana Daleng, make sure to visit the Philippine Handloom Weaving Festival here at Robinsons, Ilocos. Because we are not just purchasing clothes here, we are also supporting dreams and our community.